right, guys, got something a little bit unique up here at Maple Motors. This is a 1988 S-10 pickup with a V8 conversion. It's set up to go. We're gonna try it out, get ready to take it on a test drive. If you don't mind, check out my website, MapleMotors.com, for availability. Sometimes these cars sell pretty fast when I put these videos up. So please check that out. Once again, that's MapleMotors.com. Hit that subscribe button. We're going for a ride. All right, gonna peek around the interior before we take off. Got a aftermarket set of gauges under the dash. Got a aftermarket radio, which we have the Phase 2 in the office. Aftermarket shifter right here. The rest of it seems to be pretty stock. Go ahead and show you, we got a ignition switch under here that you got to turn on. This other side is a fan. We'll cut it on right after we get it started here. Truck starts right up. Got a little squeaky pulley under the hood. And it goes away. The temperature's already up to 140 on this truck. We had it cleaned up back there. Oil pressure's right at 40. That gauge is not working at all. It's just stuck on 0. I'm gonna look on the dash here. Say they probably replaced the water temp because this one's not working. The battery gauge, I don't know if it's working. It seems like it is. RPM's not coming up on the dash. We'll see if the miles per hour is working when we go down the road. Power windows are working. A little slow, but they're going up and down. See if our heat works. There's no AC on this truck. Blower motor is not working. Horn does work, sounds a little weird. Like I said, this is a fan switch. Turn it on. Let's take off. Should be a little bit of a powerhouse having a V8 conversion in the little S-10. I believe it is an automatic. It does have the slap shift here. You can slap it down for second and third. I'm gonna put it in the drive gear, let it shift out. What I like to do is go over these vehicles. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. Seems to be going straight down the road. A little bit of slack in the steering. It's not pulling to the left or right. Now kickdown's not hooked up on this one. Does have good throttle response. Speedometer's not working, showing 180,000 miles. Of course, I can't stand behind that because the speedometer's not working, so it can't turn over. Looks like our blinkers are working on the dash. Windshield wipers work. Let's check the brakes. Brakes feel good. They're stopping nicely. This truck will get up and go. Doesn't feel too bad. I tried to decode the motor, but I couldn't get the motor's so big under the hood that it's all the way up against the firewall. There's like about an inch gap, and I can't read the numbers on the back of the motor, so that's why I said V8 conversion. I assume it's a 350, but I can't prove that. I have to try to get some mirror work back there and pull the numbers. stick y'all up in the driver's seat. Let y'all check the suspension. It doesn't feel bad. Feels like a normal S-10 truck suspension. They weren't great to begin with, but you just hear a lot of road noise. And the truck feels good. Temperature's right at 180. It's about perfect. It's pulling nice and strong. Other than a little bit of slack in the steering, it's a pretty good running truck. Need a new steering wheel, or at least a cover for it, because it's ripping up on here. Has no problem kicking the tires over. Of course, I didn't mat it. Notice the idle's just a hair high on this truck. Probably turn it down a little bit when we get back. Just have it adjusted. The truck feels pretty good. Like I said, the temperature's still 180. Probably fix the speedometer. Hook the kick down up. Tighten that steering up just a little. It's not a ton of play, but it is enough. Let y'all check out the suspension. We're getting ready to turn right up here. There's a big bump in the road. We're gonna hit it. Try to hit it in all my videos. It's right here beside this Jeep. I'm gonna let off the gas. We're just gonna hit it. Right here. A little bumpy. Not bad. Rolling up to the car lot now. Just getting back. I'm going to do a little walk around on the outside of this car. Shifter's pretty easy. You just pull this up. There's your reverse. So you can't go anywhere unless you pull that up. That's your neutral. You can manually shift this car or this truck. It does work. But I want to show you how that works. You just got to pull that up. It's kind of like a button. Look around. Guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any further questions, please visit our website. Please check for availability. Sometimes these trucks and cars sell as soon as I post these videos. It's out of my hands. I mean, once I post them, people send the money, they'll be gone. So I post videos like this every single day. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm getting ready to do a walk around, point out any flaws on the outside of this truck. I appreciate y'all watching. If you want to talk to us on the phone, give me a call, 615-822-4444. Like I said, we're up here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Been here 37 years. This is Maple Motors. Got a car lot full of classic cars. We like anything unique and hot rodish. I appreciate y'all watching, and And thanks again, guys.